Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NAVS Home School. Here I am Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Indian University School, Daship. And now I am going to conduct your English first paper class for the of class 8. Our today's topic is from your EFT books, Unit-3, Lesson 5, 6, 7 and 8 discussion. Dear students, you also have a homework number 4, and your homework is from lesson 6 task B, and regarding your books unit 3 lesson 5 to 8, lesson 6 is too much important. So I will request all of you to open your book page number 29 first. So here you will get physical exercise, and you also will get a picture about physical exercise. And in task B, it's written that Mr. Pronoy Larman, the physical teacher of Rupur High School, is talking about health to his students. This is the species. What things are necessary for good health? He asks the students. We need a lot of things. Teacher says, Rashid. We need healthy food, proper rest and sleep. We also have to be clean and tidy. Good, says Mr. Larman. These are the things you need for good health. But another things that you also need is regular physical exercise. What type of physical exercise can we do, teacher? Asked Right. Well, says Mr. Larman, there are different kinds of physical exercise. You can do them indoors and indoor as well as outdoors. Dear students, indoor means those those physical exercises which you can take part by staying at home, and outdoor means outside the door, that means outside the home, which exercise you can take. In the house, you can do some freehand exercises. Okay, freehand means without using any tools. That is, you can stretch different parts of your body. Outside, you can play, swim or simply walk. So this is called outdoor games. Dear students, now why do we need physical exercise, teacher? Asked Ramjan. Well, says Mr. Larma, the benefits of physical exercise are many. The greatest of them is that it keeps you fit for work. It also gives you energy and makes you strong and cheerful. It teaches you regularity and discipline as well. Dear students, I hope you don't have any problem regarding this passage, and let's try to solve all these question answers. Question answer 1 is about what things are necessary for good health. Dear students, here you will get, so first of all, after writing, at the time of writing question answer, you need to arrange the questions answer properly. Okay, that means what things are necessary for good health. For good health, we need healthy food, proper rest and sleep. We also need to have clean and tidy. Need to be clean and tidy. Then number 2, how many physical exercises are there? Dear students, you know that there are a lot of physical exercises, okay, such as playing, swimming, walking, indoor and outdoor exercises, etc. Okay. So its answer would be there are many kinds of physical exercises. Okay. Then number 3, why do we need physical exercise? We need physical exercise, and why? And we have to elaborate its reason here. We need physical exercise to keep ourselves fit for work and enjoy a sound life. Okay? You will not get its answer directly here. Number 4, what physical exercises do you do? Now students, you can write, I usually take walking or swimming or playing or other indoor and outdoor games as physical exercises. Okay? Do you have any physical education teacher in your school? How does he or she help you to do physical exercise? Dear students, in this case, although you don't have any physical education teacher in your school, but you have to write, yes, we have a physical education teacher in our school. He or she teaches us how we can take physical exercise regularly and how we can keep us fit for any work. This is the answer of all these questions. Dear students, you have homework number 4, lesson 6, task B. Okay, task B's question answer 1 to 5 and its only answer. Dear students, I hope you got understood what about the question answer. This is the end of your class today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.